Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Wednesday, June 7th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Continued strength into these grains as you have a lot of heat working through areas of the Corn Belt and heat on the way for the Eastern Corn Belt. So really some concerns that you're seeing some drying in areas and that you're just not having the crop be able to handle that heat. So really where this rally has started was spring wheat, and spring wheat actually reversed today, which was a little bit disappointing here. Closed down anywhere from a penny to two lower. At one point was higher, but just couldn't keep going on. Maybe a little bit of profit taking there as well. Chicago wheat, Kansas City wheat also a little bit higher though on the day. And then over into the soybean and corn market, that's where you saw the most strength. So up about 6 cents on corn, up about 9 cents on beans, as you're really just focused on what's going on in North Dakota, South Dakota, and then also the fact that you're starting to just see the crop really come out having some emergence problems, and then also just some stand issues and a little bit of bareness in some fields. So that's really where you've seen your attention getting a little bit of strength. Also, just remember how short managed money is. So they might be coming up evening some positions just with the news around this market, and that's where you see a little bit of buying as well. One disappointing thing we did see today as far as cash trade basis has widened out quite a bit, which just indicates that farmers have really been selling on this rally to clean up some of their old crop. Over to meat markets, you saw that reversal yesterday with feeder cattle being limit lower. Here today had a little bit of pressure early on, able to come back, closing mixed. Live cattle up just slightly, feeder or lean hogs up slightly as well. In those outside markets, biggest mover on the day was probably the crude market, down well over $2. Other markets were slightly lower as well, dollar maybe a little bit higher. Moving forward, we're just going to watch this. Everyone's kind of been paying attention to this ridge that could focus and start to happen in about 8 days. That would bring a lot of heat to the Eastern Corn Belt, and they are just not ready for that. Their root system probably isn't the best either. A lot of this got mudded in, talking about some crusting problems as well, and so that's what everyone's going to be focusing on. And then tomorrow we'll get export sales to really see where we stand from there. Friday you have a USDA crop report, and that'll have some details as well, though it isn't as big as the June 30th crop report. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.